So, you want to know what this whole Freedom Boat Club thing is all about. Simply put, we're a club that makes boating, well, simple. Here's how it works. You join the club, you pay a one-time membership fee, and then monthly dues from there on out. And instantly, you get access to a fleet of boats. All those little expenses and annoyances, the maintenance, the dock fees, storage fees, parts and cleaning, basically all the hassles of boating, forget them. In fact, crumple that list up and toss it away. Here's what you do. Find our location nearest you. So let's say you live in Florida, in Jacksonville. As a member, their entire fleet is at your disposal. Deck boats, fishing boats and bow riders, pontoons and cruisers. You get to use them all, and you can use them as often as you like. And you can bring anyone aboard that you like. Friends, family, guests, children, clients, even pets. All those things you imagine boating to be suddenly become reality. Look at all these boats. You could go fishing, cruising, or beaching. You could go tubing, water skiing, or exploring. Maybe drop anchor and go swimming, snorkeling, or take it even deeper and go scuba diving. At your own risk, of course. Let's do an example. Let's say you want to try out your new membership. Choose the day you want to go out and the boat you're looking for. So how about a bow rider on Tuesday? So what do? That Tuesday, you show up at the dock and find your bow rider fueled up and waiting for you. From here, it's up to you. Maybe cruise up the coast, stop somewhere for lunch, maybe float for a while. Regardless, when you're done, you simply head back to the dock where the boat club staff will be waiting. Leave the boat with them, and that's it. With us, there are no trailers needed to haul boats. There is no cleaning, no boat maintenance. There are truly no hassles. You just show up, hop in, and take off. When you're done, hop off and head for home. From seashores to lake shores, Freedom Boat Club has numerous locations, all of which allow you to travel to any Freedom Boat Club location and explore new waters. Maybe you have buddies in Boston. Make your reservations, catch a flight up to Beantown, and take them down to the dock for a crab cake lunch and an exploration of Boston Harbor. Or maybe they're sick of Boston. Why not have them meet you for a fishing trip on Jordan Lake in North Carolina? Or take them farther from home and reserve a boat on Lake Travis in Austin. As a member, you'll find your options are wide open. And without all the hassles, your time will be free, so you can have fun on the water. So come on. The boat's waiting.